The question states here, find the points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 at which the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. Okay, so given curve is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Call this 1, at which the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. Okay, you need to find the points on this curve at which the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. So first of all, we find dy dx. So differentiating both sides of 1. Why do you finding dy dx? Because we want the slope of the tangent. We get 2x plus 2y dy dx minus 2 is equal to 0. So you can take 2 common to get x plus y dy dx minus 1 is equal to 0. So you get here y dy dx is equal to 1 minus x. That means dy dx is equal to 1 minus x by y. That means the slope of the tangent at any point xy on the curve is this dy dx. Now if I say let x1 y1 be the point on the curve such that the tangent is parallel, such that the tangent at this point is parallel to the x-axis. Therefore, what is the slope of the tangent at this point? Slope of the tangent at x1 y1 is the value of dy dx at that point, which is equal to 1 minus x1 by y1. This is the slope of the tangent at this point. Now, because this tangent is parallel to the x-axis, so what is the slope of the x-axis? Can you tell me what is the slope of the x-axis? Slope of the x-axis is 0, right? Tan 0, right? So since the
And
tangent is parallel to the x-axis, these two slopes must be equal, this slope and this slope, slope of the x-axis and slope of the tangent. Since the tangent is parallel to the x-axis, therefore 1 minus x1 by y1 must be equal to 0. Both the slopes must be equal, and therefore this will give you 1 minus x1 is equal to 0. That means x1 is equal to 1. That means you have got the x coordinate of the point. Now how will you get the y coordinate of the point? See, this was the curve. I had drawn a tangent at the point x1 y1. So this point is clearly on the curve, right? So since x1 y1 lies on the curve, therefore it must satisfy the equation of the curve. What was the equation of the curve? X square. So that means instead replace x by x1, y by y1, minus 2x1 minus 3 is equal to 0, right? Now in order to get the y coordinate, put x1 is equal to 1 here. So you get 1 square plus y1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Um, so you are going to get here, if you simplify this, you are going to get y1 square is equal to 4. That means you get y1 is equal to plus or minus square root of 4. That means y1 is equal to plus or minus 2. So you're getting two values of y. For one value of x, you're getting two values of y. So what are the points here? Hence, the required points on the curve are, for x1 you are getting a value +2, and for x1 you are getting another value -2. So these two are the points at which if you draw the tangent, they will be parallel to the x-axis. Okay. We move on to the next one, unless you have any question.
No.
Number 5. Find the equation of tangents to the curve y is equal to x² - 1 into x - 2 at the points where the curve cuts the x-axis. So given curve y is equal to x² - 1 into x - 2, right? Now how do you if this is your x-axis, right, and say this is my curve, say something like this, okay, then what are the points at which the curve cuts the x-axis? There are 3 points: this and this, right? How do you get these points? If you put y is equal to 0, so call this 1, right? So putting y is equal to 0, this is your x-axis, right? We get x² - 1 into x - 2 is equal to 0. That means this can further be factorized as x + 1 into x - 1 into x - 2 is equal to 0. That means you're getting x is equal to -1, or x is equal to +1, or x is equal to 2. That means what are the x coordinates of these points? This point, the x coordinate is, let's say, -1, and some y coordinate I don't know. And this coordinate is, say, 1, some y coordinate I don't know. And what is the x coordinate here? 2, comma, and some y coordinate which I don't know. Okay. So which I don't know, but definitely I know that y coordinate on the x-axis is 0. So all these y coordinates will be 0, right? So hence, what are the points? Therefore, the points at which, therefore, the points at which 1 cuts the x-axis are, what are the points? -1, 0, 1, 0, and 2, 0. So there are 3 points at which this curve cuts the x-axis. Okay, now read the question. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve at the point where the curve cut the x-axis. So you need to find the equation of the tangent at these points, right? But for the equation of the tangent, what do you require? Let us first consider this case, equation of the tangent at -1, 0. Let us first find dy dx, then we'll find out. Differentiating both sides of 1 with respect to x, we get dy dx is equal to, you can differentiate by u into v rule. Okay, so you get x² - 1 into 1 plus x - 2 into 2x, right? So you are getting here, if you multiply everything, you'll get 3x² - 4x - 1. This is the slope of the tangent at any point on the curve. Now consider the point. Consider the point 1 at a time. Okay, consider the point 1, 0. What is the slope of the tangent at this point? Slope of the tangent, because you don't want to find tangent at each of these points. Slope of the tangent at -1, 0 is dy dx at the point -1, 0. Put here, what is the x coordinate? -1. Simply put here 3 into -1 square -4 into -1 -1. Okay. So the slope of the tangent that you are going to get here is 6. Okay. So therefore, what should be the equation of the tangent at this point? Therefore, equation of the tangent to 1 at minus 1, 0 is y minus y1 is equal to dy dx at the point x1, y1. This was the formula, right? 2x minus x1. Y minus x1, y1 is which point? You can take this point as your x1, y1. So y minus y1 is equal to dy dx at x1, y1 we have found to be 6 into x minus of minus 1. Okay, so you get here y is equal to 6 times x plus 1. Okay, so you get here 6x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the equation at the point minus 1, 0. Now consider the next point. Consider the point 1, 0. Okay, slope of the tangent at 1, 0 is the value of dy dx at that point. Put the value 3 into, because the x coordinate here is 1, 3 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 minus 1, which is equal to, you're going to get this as minus 2. Okay, therefore equation of the tangent to 1 at 1, 0 is y minus, consider this as your x1, y1 now, y minus y1 is equal to dy dx at the point into x minus x1. That means you get y 2x plus y 2x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Well, I think yes, 2x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. That's it. That's the equation of the tangent that you're getting at this point. Now the third point is left. Exactly in a similar manner we'll proceed. Consider the point 2, 0. That was the third point. Okay. Now I'm not writing the full. I'm just writing in short. Dy dx at this point is the slope of this, the tangent at this point is how much? 3 into 2 square minus 4 into 2 minus 1, which is equal to, you'll get here 3. Therefore, equation of the tangent to 1 at 2, 0 is y minus, again this, consider this as your x1, y1. So y minus y1 is equal to m. M here is 3, this one, into x minus x1. So you get here 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. That's the equation of the tangent. Okay. Or is it 6? 3x plus y plus 6, I think, yes. 6. That's the equation of the tangent. Okay. So that finishes this problem. We have found out the equation of the tangent at all points where the curve cuts the or intersects the x-axis. Okay. Move on to the next question, number 6. Question is, find the equation of the tangent to the curve x square plus 3y is equal to 3, which is parallel to the line. So given curve here is x square plus 3y is equal to 3. Now the tangent to this point, tangent to this curve is parallel to this line. Okay. So first let us find out dy dx. So call this one differentiating both sides of 1 with respect to x. We get 2x plus 3 dy dx is equal to 0. So you get here dy dx is equal to minus 2x by 3. Okay. So now I say let x1 y1 be the point at which the tangent is drawn to the curve. Let x1 y1 be the point on the curve at which the tangent is parallel to y minus 4x plus 5. Okay. So what is the slope of the tangent at this point? Slope of the tangent at x1 y1 is value of dy dx at the point x1 y1, which is equal to, put the value of, instead of replace x by x1. So you get minus 2x1 by 3. Also, what is the slope of this line? Let us call this line 2. Slope of the line 2. And if you remember from straight line, how should you find out the slope of a line? Coefficient minus coefficient of the x coordinate, minus coefficient of the uh, x part, which is minus of minus 4, divided by the coefficient of y, which is 1. So the slope of this is 4. Now, because the tangent at x1 y1, since tangent at x1 y1 and line 2 are parallel, the slope must be equal. Therefore, dy dx at the point x1 y1 must be equal to 4. What is the value of dy dx we have found here? This one. So minus 2x1 by 3 is equal to 4. Now this is an equation which you can solve. Okay, so you get x1 is equal to 6. So you have got the x coordinate of the point at which the tangent is being drawn. How to find out the y coordinate? We use the fact that x1 y1 lies on the curve. So since x1 y1 lies on the curve 1, therefore it must satisfy. What is the equation of the curve 1 given? X square plus 3y is equal to 6. So you you replace x by x1. So x1 square plus 3y1 is equal to 3. Right? So which implies, now you can put the value of x1, 6 square plus 3y1 is equal to 3. Now this will give you your y coordinate. So that means y1, you are going to get here as minus 11. Okay. Hence, what have they asked you? They have asked you find the equation to the tangent of the curve. Hence, um, what is the equation of the tangent? At x1 y1, and what is the value of x1 y1 given, we have found here? 6 minus 11 is y minus y1 is equal to dy dx at the point x1 y1 into x minus x1. Okay. So put the values here. Y minus y1 here is plus 11, minus 11, which is, now what is the value of dy dx at x1 y1? see that dy dx at x1 y1 we have taken as 4 equal to the slope of this line, right? Because the tangent was parallel. So you can directly put here 4 into x minus x1 here is 6. So you get here y plus 11 is equal to 4x minus 24. Okay. So the equation of the tangent that you are getting here is 4x minus y minus 35 is equal to 0. Okay. That is the required equation of the tangent. Any question? I'll move on to number 7 now. Number 7. If you read this question, it says find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is perpendicular to the line. Now, in case of if the tangent was parallel to the line, what were you doing? We were equating the slopes. But if they are if the tangent is perpendicular to another line whose slope is given, then what will happen? The slope of the tangent into the slope of the given line must be equal to minus 1, right? M1 M2 is equal to minus 1. So that is what we are going to do. It's the same as the last problem, except that we have to use the fact that product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. So we find out the slope of the tangent, we find out the slope of the line, multiply them together to get minus 1, and that will give you the value of x1 y1. So let's write here given curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. Call this 1. Okay. Now let us first find dy dx. Differentiating both sides of 1 with respect to x. We get dy dx is equal to 2x minus 2. Okay. Now I say let x1 y1 be the point at which be a point on the curve one at which the tangent is perpendicular to the line given here is 5y minus 15x minus 13 is equal to 0. Call this line 2. Okay. So therefore, what is the slope of the tangent at this point? At x1 y1 is dy dx at the point x1 y1. So now you see we have found out dy dx. Instead of replace x by x1, 2x1 minus 2. This is the slope of the tangent at this point. And what is the slope of the line 2? Is minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y, which is equal to 15 by 5, equal to 3. Now the tangent and this line are perpendicular to each other, right? So if you multiply these two slopes, the product must be minus 1. So since the tangent and the line 2 are perpendicular, therefore product of the slopes, that means 3 into 2x1 minus 2 must be equal to minus 1, right? So this is a simple equation now which you can solve. You get x1 is equal to 5 by 6. So you have got the x coordinate of the point. Now how to get the y coordinate of the point? Again, we use the fact that x1, y1 is a point on the curve. So since x1, y1 is a point on the curve 1, okay, therefore y1 is equal to x1 square minus 2x1 plus 7. Okay. So now since you know the value of x1, put it 5 by 6 square minus twice 5 by 6 plus 7. Okay. So you multiply here and you will get the value of y1 as 217 by 36. Okay. So the point at which the tangent to 1 is perpendicular to the line 2 is 5 by 6, 217 by 36, right? And what is the slope of the tangent? Slope of this tangent? See that the tangent is perpendicular to this line. What is the slope of this line? 3. So therefore, if the tangent is perpendicular, that means the slope of the tangent must be minus 1/3. Or what you can also do is, since you have got the value of x1, you can put it here and get the slope of the tangent as minus 1/3. Any way you can do. Okay. So slope of this tangent is this. So I know the slope of the tangent and I know the point on the tangent. So therefore, what should be the equation of the tangent? Equation of the tangent to 1 at which equation of the tangent to 1 which is perpendicular. Which is perpendicular to line 2 is point slope form y minus, consider this as your x1 y1, this one. So y minus y1 is equal to m. Slope of the tangent is minus 1/3 into x minus x1. This is the required equation, and you can simplify this, take the LCM and take x and y on one side. You can get the equation of this to be 12x plus 36y minus 227 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the tangent. Okay, so I'll stop here.